Ready to start trading on the go with Metatrader 4? Here's how to download it on your Android device. First, open the Google Play Store on your Android phone. Here at the bottom right corner, you can see the search icon. Tap on it. Now, at the top, you can see the search bar. Tap on it and in the search bar, type Metatrader 4 and press enter. Find the app in the search results. Once you find it, tap on it to open the details page. Now here you can see the install button. Tap install to download the app to your device. Once the download is complete, tap open to launch Metatrader 4. Now you are ready to log into your account and start trading. Make sure you have enough storage space on your phone to download the app smoothly. If this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.